everyone, we're in the park for day 7 of Vlogmas. It's our tree lighting ceremony for our local community, so the park's pretty empty, but I think it's going to fill up pretty soon. So we're walking down to where they're going to do the tree lighting. I think they're supposed to have a craft table set up and like a hot cocoa tent and maybe some music and things like that, so I think it'll be fun. So let's see what adventures we can get up to. Well, here we are. See what's in that tent, but there's the tree straight ahead. All decorated in balls, but we're waiting for the lights to go on. But let's have a look around.
We're going to see Santa and Santa Claus. We're going to have some fun tonight. Thank you all for coming out. All right, I want to welcome everyone to the 2019 tree lighting ceremony. This is our annual ceremony. All right, let's start the countdown with 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We are on our way to do some Christmas shopping in an actual store. What a novel concept instead of doing it all online. I want to go to Stein Mart. I just discovered Stein Mart over the summer, and when I was in there I was like, oh my god, I'm coming back here for Christmas shopping. They have so many cute things and they're really reasonably priced, so come along with me to Stein Mart. I totally want this coat. They really have some cute coats in here. In 2 colors. 3 colors. Do I look cold? I'm all bundled up. Well, we have some people coming for dinner. So we're going to make It's not going to be a Mediterranean recipe. We're going to try to make a fancy French dinner. So we're going to attempt to make coq au vin, which is a classic French dish. Actually, it's not that far from Mediterranean cooking because you're cooking chicken in red wine and some broth and things. But like all French recipes, it has a lot of butter in it. So it's not going to be the most dietary thing. But I think it'll come out really good. I think it'll just be fun to make. It has quite a few steps. So if you're planning on doing something special for the holiday, this might be something that you can impress people with. So here we go. We're starting off with some bacon that we've cut into small chunks. This is just regular breakfast bacon. And we're going to fry it until crispy. Here we have a whole chicken cut into 10 pieces. It was cut into 8 pieces, but then the breasts were so large that we cut the breasts in half. And then we generously salted them and put on some black pepper. We're cooking half of an onion sliced up and some baby carrots in the bacon fat. Now we're adding 2 cloves of garlic that we've chopped up. We removed the vegetables from the frying pan. And we added a little bit of olive oil to this pan, and now we're browning the chicken in the same pan. We browned the chicken and we removed it from the pan. And now we're adding 2 cups of chicken broth and 2 cups of burgundy wine. We're going to use this also to deglaze the pan. We've combined a 1/4 cup of flour and 3 tablespoons of softened butter to make a roux, which we are adding to the sauce now. It helps thicken it and add some flavor. And we're going to melt that in. And then we're going to add everything back to the pan, the chicken, the vegetables, and the bacon. We're cooking this on the stovetop for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to put it in the oven. This has been in a 300-degree oven covered for 30 minutes, and we just took it out and stirred up the chicken and all the contents. We're adding mushrooms, and now we're adding some pearl onions. These are frozen pearl onions because we didn't want to go through all the hassle of peeling real ones. We're sitting a few fresh thyme sprigs on top, and now it's going back in the oven for another 30 minutes. And now we've taken the lid off and we're going to leave it uncovered for 15 minutes. Hey there, I'm about to make some cookies with my sister. Well, we're going to make chocolate covered graham crackers, and then she's going to make cookies. We make these every Christmas. Well, actually, she makes them every Christmas. I help. Chocolate covered graham crackers are so good. We get dark chocolate that we buy, the kind that you can melt down. We get the brand Merkins. We get them at the local Amish market that's near us, but I think you can get them online. You can get them anywhere. You can also get candy melts at Michael's or Joann's, but I think they sell the Wilton's brand, which is also good. I just happen to prefer the Merkin. It's a little darker, it's just more to our taste. So they're really easy to make, so come along and I'll show you how to do it. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed all of our activities and our recipes. And I apologize for disappearing right in the middle of Vlogmas, but I had a big work thing come up. I had a proposal I had to write. So I had to drop everything and just concentrate on that because it could be a big part of my 2020. So thank you for your patience. I kind of like this format though, where I do a few days in a row and I don't have to cram everything into one day. So I'm gonna make a few more Vlogmas videos before Christmas. In the next one, I want to concentrate on some crafts because I have some candles that I want to make for some gifts. So I think it would be interesting for you to see how you can make a candle for yourself at home. And I'm going to make some soap that I want to donate to the Veterans Home because they're asking for donations and I know someone who's in there. I also have some essential oils, so maybe I'll make some perfume, but we'll see. I'll also have some Mediterranean recipes for you, don't worry. It won't just be all crafts. But I think the next one is going to be very crafty. So join me for that one, and then we'll probably have one big finale before Christmas. So I'll see you then. Thanks. Bye.